phishing attack in a real life by Gophish software. So let's turn on the application, copy the HTTP URL and paste it in the browser to get redirected to the login page. The username is admin and the password is shown in the application terminal. After sign in, the first step is to create a new profile. Keep in mind the host format must be htmp.gmail.com:587. The username and password is your Google account. Okay, let's say this one. Next, we need to create a new landing page with either fake login website that have the similar domain to the real one to make the user trust the link and click into it. Later then we will get all of the information. Okay, so the URL here is the yam/login which will redirect the user to my fake login system. Okay, we also need to enable the capture data and password checkbox to get all of the information and save the login by here. Then we need to create the email that looks legit to the and similar to the original email to convince the user to click into the phishing link. For example, my email here, I will put the subject is a blast shell and the content is this only lasts for 10 minutes, so it will make the user feel hurry and click without any thinking. Then we need to add the new user group. In this example, I only use one email for testing purposes, but in the real attack we can enter as many one as we wanted to. So just put in my personal email here and save it. Finally, let's start the campaign by typing on of attributes that I already rated in the previous step. Okay, so let's check it in my personal email. So the link is here. So let's click it. So right now, let's assume I'm the user. I will click the link and it will redirect it to the fake website, but the user will not know it. Okay, so let's enter the username and password. Database here. So the last step we only need to use this information and log it into the user account to steal all of the information. Okay, so this is the end of my demonstration.